Hey beauties, Tre'nae here and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how I accomplished this silk press on my super thick, super coarse 4C natural hair. So if you want to see how I did it, stay tuned for all the deets. Alright, so we're starting on freshly washed and deep conditioned hair. The products I use when washing my hair will be down below in the description box. As you can see, my hair is already in a blown out state, and I did this by using my golden hot blow dryer brush. If you want to see my initial review on unboxing and using this blow dryer, I do have a video already uploaded on that information, and I will link that up top. Of course, all products that I'm using will be down below in the description box also. So the key to getting this type of press on your 4C hair, there are 3 steps that you must follow, and they are to 1. Deep condition your hair prior, 2. Put in all your products while your hair is still wet, and 3. Ensure you're blow drying your hair evenly and all the way through from your roots to your ends. Deep conditioning your hair prior to doing a silk press helps your hair tremendously. Not only does it truly penetrate your hair, it keeps your hair more manageable by smoothing it and brings a natural shine to your hair that looks both healthy and luminous. The reason you want to put all your products in your hair while it's still wet is because this is when type 4 hair holds on to its product the best. You also run the risk of weighing down your hair with product if you apply it while it's dry, and you never want your hair to feel sticky or weighed down, which could very well happen if you put your products in your hair while it's dry as opposed to when it's wet. And most importantly, blow drying your hair evenly and all the way through makes the flat ironing process so much easier, because we never want bulky and brittle hair when you're straightening. So now that we have all the tips to achieving a successful silk press, let's get into the products I used and this flat iron. So while my hair was still wet, I used the Designer Essentials leave-in and blow drying lotion, the Apogee Keratin and Green Tea Restructurizer, a little bit of olive oil from my local beauty supply store, and my favorite, the Motions Foaming Lotion. I use these products all over my head prior to blow drying my hair, and as you can see, my hair is already voluminous and even before flat ironing it. Here's what my hair looks like when I apply my product to my wet hair and blow dry it as opposed to doing it with dry. My hair is not bulky and it's not brittle, and you guys can see a huge difference. And now for the fun part, I'll be using the Keratin Research Inverto Salon Professional Flat Iron. All of the information on it will be linked down below. The only 2 products I do place on my hair after blow drying are, of course, a heat protectant. I'm using one by Tre'nae, and my favorite, the Chi Silk Infusion Serum. Now let's get into this transformation. That it's a miracle worth the trouble, hunty. From start to finish, from blow drying to flat ironing my hair, this process took me about 2.5 hours. I finished by wrapping my hair in saran wrap, and here is me unwrapping my hair so that you guys can see the finished look. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you enjoyed watching it. As always, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel and that you have that notification bell turned on. Remember, be yourself, be you, be beautiful, be untamed. Thanks for watching. Peace out.